Learn how to add captions in videos in CapCut desktop app. Let's just get right into it. The first step you need to take is to launch your CapCut desktop app. So I'll click here and select mine. So once you're on this interface, select Create Project. Okay, now let's now go and import what you want to caption. All right. So I will click on this import button. It will open a section of your PC. Navigate to where you have the file. Okay. So let me work with one of these videos I have here. Okay, this one. Let me work with this. So I'll click on it and click on open. So once the video is placed here, you will see a preview of the video. So take your cursor to the video, press and hold on the left button of your mouse, and then drag and drop in this timeline. Once it is placed in this timeline, allow it to load. Okay, and here it has loaded. The next step is to caption. So click on captions. Okay, on clicking on caption, you will see the language as English, all right, spoken language. If your spoken language is different, click here and select a different language. But here I speak English, all right. Then bilingual captions, none is selected. But this is not a free to use. Okay, so but we just want to caption this in English because I'm speaking English. All right. Then if you look at this side, you will see some kind of things you can do. Maybe you want to scale the text, okay, or positioning, but we can still do that after the caption is generated. So the next step is to click on generate. And here the caption is generated. So let's play it. In this video of today, I'll put you through on how to delete email. Okay, so when you play for some time, you pause to review what you have here. You can see here the text is so casual, which is not making sense to me. So we need to work on this text. We need to select a different font or even apply background color. All right, we can even go for the take further step and resize the text. So for you to make changes to the text, that is the caption, click as it appears on this timeline. All right, once it's selected, the next step is maybe you want to change the font. You click here and select a different font of your choice. So let's work with this because it's free. Anyone that has this diamond icon is not free. So let's work with this. And okay, now, but you need to change this color here. White is selected by default. So if you want to change the text color, you can click here and hit any color you want to change to. So let's say black here. So I'll click on this. But to me, after that, you click out. But to me, this is not enough. So you can see the style, okay, preset style. To get down here, you click on this arrow here to see more. Okay, it gives you more options of the style of text you may like to use. So let's apply this and see how it looks like. And I think this looks more professional. Okay, if the text is too long on the screen, you can come here and start reducing the number. All right, I think this is cool. So let's play again. I will drag this playhead here. I'll play again. In this video of today, I'll put you through on how to delete email permanently in Outlook. And you can see this is cool. It's fine. All right. So it's fine. And this is all you need to do. If you want to work on some other things, these are the some tabs that are here. You have templates, you have bubbles, you have effects. So you can click and see how you can make changes on anything concerning that. So any change you are making will be reflecting here. Okay, so let's assume you want to align this differently. Center is selected. Maybe you want to align this way, you select this way. You want to align it this way, you select this way. You want this way, you select this way. But let's leave it as center alignment. I'm cool with this. As the video is playing and you notice that there is a mistake, all right, in the caption, maybe part of it, the first step I encourage you to do is to zoom so that you see it very well, okay? And then you click on that part of the text, all right? You can see a part will be open here for you to make the correction you want to make. So click here, remove the text and add the correct one, all right? And keep playing what you're playing. So on the assumption that you're done with whatever thing you want to do, the next step is to export. And for you to export, you need to click on the export button. Once you're taken to this page, hit the export button and it will be exported and saved into your PC. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.